here at Valancourt, we also want to make sure every piece of equipment is equipped with a 5-pound fire extinguisher as well, just in case for safety hazards. So here first, have your armrest. You can use it, you can choose not to, either or, it works. One thing before operation you always want to make sure it works is your seatbelt. Now it is a lever as well for when you're getting in the machine, so it's not bumping into you, so you can slide it down. But before you start up, you want to make sure your seatbelt is here. Come to the other side, grab your seatbelt, make sure it's fully operational. And here you have a couple switches that runs around. So you have, specifically you have 6. One will be the top light, there'll be a hazard light that you'll run on a job site as well. Then you have the one for your headlights. You have your high beams and your low beams, much like a standard car. Then you also have your settings for your rabbit and your turtle settings. And that also helps the speed of the machine itself. And then the next switch you have over is the vibration amplitude. That pretty much varies based on the material on the job site, but you want to contact your foreman or your superintendent if they're around to get with them about that. If it's mainly in wet material, you really don't want to vibrate as much. You cause all the water to rise to the top, which can pretty much cause a problem on the job site. On our right hand portion of this side, we have our engine throttle control. You can either click the minus to throttle it down, click the plus to throttle it up, help control the speed of the engine at all times. Next switch above that one will be a red switch. It'll be a parking brake. That's what we call it, the parking brake. So they have a P on there, a P logo in a circle. If you click that, that puts the machine in full park. If you click the opposite side of it, it will have a P with a slash through it. That is meaning once you click that, you are in full operation at the time. The next switch above that will be your horn. So once you click that button, which it'll be one button, it'll let people know that your horn is in full operation. The next button above that will be emergency stop. So if there's anything wrong, if you have a hazard, anything pops up and you can't get the machine to stop, you hit that button in one time, that'll fully put the machine at a stop and shut it down. Then last but not least, on your right hand switch will be your gear switch. So forward will be straight ahead. In the center will be your neutral. All the way back will be your reverse. And then one of my favorite features of all time is the air conditioning. So you have your power, you have your speed control, you have your cold, you have your hot as well. Once you get cold outside, you can use that as well. You also have defrost. In every piece of heavy machinery we have, you have to have defrost. That is OSHA-regulated. Then you have your washer fluid for your front and your washer fluid for your back. And every piece of heavy equipment we have here, OSHA-regulated, it has to have working windshield wipers.